Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show how to create Python script in pycharm. So first of all, if you don't have pycharm, you are going to download from here. You're going to enter this website, install pycharm, and the website, the URL is chatprince.com. Then, depending on your OS, you can download. So mine now is Windows, but you can download Mac OS or Linux. So in Linux, there's another different things like Ubuntu or something else. So which one you are going to use. Then you are going to download the installer. Then you are going to click here. But since I did download, I'm not going to download now. You're just going to download here, which is like free. But you're not going to download the professional. You are going to download the community, which is just only for pure Python development. Then you're going to download from here. Since I did download it before, I'm not going to download now. Let's just forget about it, and then let's start our pycharm. So there it is. I did launch my pycharm community edition. We are going to wait now. Yeah, I did have an ongoing project here. So now we can start a new project. You're going to click here on the left, top left, file, new project. So you can click here to put the location you want your files or your new project. So since I'm using now here users, I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to use my directory D here. Then I can put here if I want documents programming. I'm just going to put now for now here, or I can click here for projects. So I'm going to use this folder which is called projects. Then I'm going to come here. If I want, even I can create a new folder. Let me just create a new directory, a new folder name, Python script. I can write down the new folder, Python script. Then I'm going to click OK. Then I'm going to click create. But before I do, I don't want to create a main.py. I'm going to show you later this one. So now we are just going to create. So if you had an ongoing project, it may going to ask you this thing, which is like, do you want to open this project in this window or new window? So I'm just going to click this window. It's going to create virtual environment. So we're just going to wait. It will be in a minute. Since I'm using now Windows 11, it's asking me this thing, Microsoft Defender configuration. So it's saying the IDE has detected Microsoft Defender with real time. Let me click. Automatically, I'm going to click. I'm just going to wait this thing to finish, and now it's finished. By the way, I'm using Python 3.1. So if you didn't install Python, you just need to go and install Python. I'm just going to download right here Python 3. So now the last version is 3.11. You can, maybe yours is going to be different, but just download from here. Download Python, then you are going to download from here. Download Python 3.11. So since I did download it before, I don't need to download it again. We're just going to cancel that thing. Let me just close this thing, and then let's come to our project. Now you have this project. I can show you from here. We got this thing, which is like Python script, something like that, on this folder. So it's here, and now it's empty. It's just only for virtual environment here. So what we need to do is that we need to create a new file, a new Python file. So we're going to click here, new. It's saying nothing new, so we need to come here. Then we can create from here, new. Then you're going to click Python. Then you're going to select this thing, Python file. So now you don't need to include the extension, which is like .py. This is the extension that this file is Python, you can know. So now since you did select it from here, you don't need to put .py. So now we are going to put the name. So I'm going to put main.py and then enter. And now I did create them. So let's check here. It's saying main.py. If you don't want to create from here a new Python file, you can create even here from your folder. You're just going to click here, new, then just select text document, and now we are going to put the name of the file, our new Python file. So I'm just going to write main2.py. I think there is something wrong. Oh, now it's not working. I will look later. As for now, let's just use this thing. This one, it didn't allow us to use as a .py. I did it wrong. So now we just can delete this thing. And we just need to use this one, .main.py. So first of all, we are going to write, let me close this thing. Yeah. Now we are going to write our code. So of course it's going to be hello world. So we are going to write print hello world. Then we need to run. So in order for you to run in pycharm, you just need to click here, run .main.py. But since, of course, now it's going to write down here hello world, just need to do, let me just print another one. We can now write 20, we can write 2023 will be an amazing year. Let's just click run. Boom. It's just written down here. 2023 will be an amazing year. So sometimes it may happen to you, it may say to you, like if you download new, it may say to you, you need to put Python on your pathway. So now my current interpreter is Python. So if you need, you can go you can go to this thing on the top right, then click setting here, then you can write here interpreter. So you can see from here, I click, and then you're going to see here add Python to the pathway, and now you can see I did got Python script which is on my pathway. So if you don't have here anything, before you download your Python, you just need to add Python on your pathway. So let me just come back here. Let's say you download your Python, okay? When you download your Python like this way, here there will be a text written here which is saying like add Python in your pathway. So you're just going to click that one, then you can continue installing. So I did done it before, so there's no need to do it again. Then after that, you are going to add a interpreter, add local interpreter, something like that, and you're going to come and you're going to look the Python file. So first of all, the paste interpreter is here. So where you did download you did install your Python program, which is like app data locals programs Python. So it may be different for you. For example, if you are using Linux, it may be different in here. So you can go and check on Google or Stack Overflow, and you can do like that. Then you are going to come here, and if you don't have any configuration, you are just going to come here and add configuration for running. You are going to click here Python, and then after you put there, you are going to come and you are going to select the file you created, which is like main.py, and then you're going to come, and of course you're going to add later your Python interpreter, which I did got. So I did got different ones. Look here, this one is Python script, the folder I created for this tutorial. Then here you have my other interpreter, my other project, which I did use, which is called Oroniorum. So yeah, it's just like that, and then you are going to apply, and then you are going to continue. So there's no need for me now, but I can even create it, no problem. I'm just going to click apply and then continue, and then it will be like that. Boom. So let's just add something else, like a variable. Let's just call our variable wow. We name our variable wow, and then we can say 3 plus 3. Of course, you need to give a space, and then we can say print wow. Then we're going to see the result, which is 6. So as you can see here, it's printing 6. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.